Okay, now the first thing you need to do, this is SPM 2003. Yeah? Now remember, I don't want to introduce log too early, because if you do that, it will be a bit more difficult to solve. It's better to break this up. 4 power 2x divided by 4 power 1. Remember, a power m minus n. When you break it up, it's a power m divided by a power n. And you have a 7 power x here. Okay, step 2. This one you can change to 16 power x. 7, bring it down. 4, I transfer the 4 up. 7 power x, bring it up. Step 1, just bring the 4 up first. Then next time you bring the 7x down. Now with that, I can just group this together. Remember, we want to group all the x together. It will be much easier. Only then we introduce log. Bring the power x in front. Now you use your calculator. Log 4, LG. Log 4, divide log 16 over 7. Okay, my answer is 1.677. Give your answer correct to 4 significant figure. But by the way, for those who are using this calculator, there's one problem with this calculator. If you use log 4 over log 16 over 7, you get an entirely different thing altogether. Because this calculator will treat this as fraction. So they take 4 divided by the log first, which is the wrong answer. So you need to use divide instead. Just use divide. Yeah, 1.677.